last year, a lot of motherfuckers asked me why I didn't do no old sex nasty shit. But this year I went down to Miami and got my nigga from 2 Live, brother Marquise in the house. Yeah, I'm the motherfucking nigga. Yeah, we gonna answer the question about girl problems. All these niggas is having girl problems, Mark. Oh, tell him, man, tell him. Let me tell you what time it is. I got a hoe from the east, got a hoe from the west. Gotta hold it like a jacket off and rub it in her chest. I got a hoe from the north, a hoe from the south. I hold it like to suck it long and hold it in her mouth. I got a bitch with hair, a bitch with none, a bitch with a knife, a bitch with a gun, a bitch with an ass big as a TV set. And there's a bitch over there, hey, the one I'm gonna get me, yo, but maybe not. She might not like me though. No sweat to a vet. I say my sister though. Word. I send the whole damn herd. I fuck them all and leave them on the curb. I got a bitch with a mink who rocks a fat gold link, who like to fuck me with their ass up on the kitchen sink. Got a bitch with tits, a bitch with ass, a bitch with none, but hey, I give her a bath and I love them all. I love them crazily, and they love me back. That's why they stay with me. So if you're having girl problems, I feel bad for your son. Got 99 problems and a bitch ain't one. Hit it. No, bitch ain't one.